Morning, friends. Bath and Body Works Candle Day haul. Let's get right into it. So for the next 2 days, which is December the 2nd and 3rd, the 3-wick candles that are like 25.50 will be 9.95. Some tremendous savings right there. So I went first thing this morning with one eye open. I could barely talk. And this is my haul. I got 14 candles. A very nice friend of mine, Karen, shout out to you. She mailed me this 20% off coupon. So that's where I had the biggest savings as I was buying more than 5 candles. So this way, it's better than a 10 off 40. I was paying $7.96 per candle, which is a really great price point, and I grabbed 14. So this is my matchup. You have to do this in store. Online, you have to put a code in to get the candles at $9.95, and you can't put a coupon like a 20% off plus the candle code. You have to pick one or the other. So throwing 12 of them into a basket, that's $119.40. I grabbed 14, but just theoretically saying 12. Subtracting that 20% off coupon, $23.88 is coming off. So you're paying $95.52 for the 12 or $7.96 per candle. Now, even though I grabbed 14, the math still washed out to that, but really great price point, especially if you're buying many. You have to do this in store with the 20% off coupon. My Bath and Body Works app, I also had a free item up to $17.50 off. So what I did was I just grabbed a body scrub and it worked perfectly with the paper one and the digital. Perfect. Also, if you have the 10 off 40, probably 4 candles and something cheap like a pocket back. It would get your total after the 10 off 40 to $31.75, shaking the candles out to $7.93. And then another one, looking if you're a new sign up on My Bath and Body Works and you have this email coupon using a 10 off 30, it would shake the candles out to $7.26 per. So depending what you have, obviously 20% is the way to go if you're buying 18, 15, whatever. But any way you look at it, you're saving money. So when I first walked into the store, they had the beautiful signage up and they were offering the bags as well. It was 1 bag per customer. The last time they had the free bags, I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, it was like take as many as you want, but they limited you this time. Looking at some of the more popular candles that I didn't buy, Tipsy Elf, this is one that a lot of people are talking about. They had a special table full of candles that were the ones that everybody's talking about. So, yeah, here are the notes to it. Merry Vanilla, Jolly, Nutmeg, a sneaky elf with a splash of rum with essential oils. It smelled very perfumey, like a mix between a candy cane one and champagne. That one, it didn't really smell like these notes, but maybe my nose wasn't working at 6 o'clock in the morning. Wine Cellar was another one on this special table. You're maybe just ask like Candle Day release candles, where are they stacked, and they'll show it to you. They'll either be sold out or they might have a couple. And here are the notes for Wine Cellar. Mulled or muled apples, fresh fig, cedarwood with essential oils. Didn't like it. It again smelled a bit too like men's cologne for me, so I passed on it. I think the cedarwood just really hit me in the face. If you're an avid collector of the glass tops, those are also part of Candle Day, so be on the lookout for those. And if the online shopping is the way to go, you have to get put into a queue either in the app or on a desktop computer, and you'll have your turn. I know last night it was madness, but they still have a lot of candles on their website. They might sell out today, depending how busy it is. Paris Cafe, I could not find it online or in store. A funny story, somebody actually bought all 18 when the store opened at 5:30 in the morning. So by 40 minutes, I missed the candle I was looking for. So I hope it restocks, but those are the breaks. But we do have French Baguette, which smells like warm bread, which is really nice. Mahogany Coconut, another favorite. We have Merry Mimosa. I didn't smell that one, but I've heard good things. And then 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. It smells like a vanilla cookie. Really nice candle. I bought a couple of those today. Also, we have Peach Bellini, a standby as long as Candle Day's been around. And we also have Merry Cookie. I like anything with baking notes, so that's a home run in my book. And Banana Walnut Muffin, that's an online exclusive, so that's kind of interesting. I'm also going to let you guys know that if you're ordering your candles online, you have to use the code to get them for $9.95. So the 10 off 30 or a 20% off coupon, one or the other you have to pick. To get the biggest savings, you got to go in store. To give you a peek of my haul, I got 14 candles at $7.96 each. I used an IBOTTA gift card. I didn't even open my wallet, guys, so that was super smart because I really wanted to stock up. Every candle I was buying, we're going to burn at our house. and we burn candles like crazy here. So this one is called "Twas the Night Before Christmas." It smells like one of those vanilla loft house cookies. So this one smells really amazing. So just to go through the notes, we have Santa, fresh baked cookies, a warm mug of milk with a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg with essential oils. It just smells like fresh baking. So I don't know how they do it, but I really like it. Now we also have Merry Maple Bourbon. I brought my husband to the store the day before and I'm like, can we smell a couple candles together? Because I just didn't want to like guess. I wanted him to have a say in it because he burns candles also. And he liked this one. He's like, there's a little some kick to this. And it just kind of, he really enjoyed it. And the notes for this one include sweet maple sugar, rich bourbon, aged cedarwood barrels with essential oils. It just smells really nice. It just has a lot of baking notes. It smells like almost like a cinnamon bun of some sort, but with maple tones. So it's really, really nice. Okay, so as I was complaining about earlier in the video, Paris Cafe, somebody came in, the doors open, they got all 18. So they bought like $179 of one candle and then just left. This one's a mashup of cinnamon, spice vanilla, and hot cocoa and cream. I thought hot cocoa and cream might be similar to Paris Cafe. And the ingredients are decadent milk chocolate, ground cinnamon, vanilla bean with essential oils. We'll have to wait and see. It doesn't smell exactly, but I mean, I don't know, maybe give it a try. Definitely hang on to your receipts too, guys. If you have any returns in the next couple of weeks, you want your receipt with you. This one was really popular around Thanksgiving or the fall. It's called Candied Maple Bacon. It was sold out at my store. Like they got like 3 candles and they were like, it's gone. I was like, oh, okay. And then magically there was a whole bunch on a table this morning. So I grabbed 2 and I'm actually burning one right now and it really makes your house smell like bacon. I don't know how they did it. But crispy bacon, maple brown sugar, smoked applewood with natural essential oils. My husband was frying up bacon and we're burning this candle and I was like, what do you think smells the most? And we're just laughing. Like the stupidest thing you could do. Anywho, it's a nice candle. We also have fresh balsam. So he wanted a couple tree candles. So I only got 1 of each because for the next couple of weeks, I'm hoping that single wicks will also, maybe like $5 or $6. So I didn't really load up on these tree candles. And then maybe the semi-annual sale, December, January, end of the month. Maybe I can grab some more. This one has woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, cedar wood, and natural essential oils. Okay, my husband also really liked Tree Farm. He's like, this smells amazing. And the notes for this one include crisp pine needles, warm cedar, spiced apples. That's what I smelled, apples. But he thought it smelled really nice. So these 2 he's probably going to burn in the next, they'll be gone within a week. He's going to probably burn both at the same time. And it's going to smell like a Tree Farm. And look at that, $26.50. I thought it was $25.50. It already went up an extra $1 while making this video. This one has been discontinued for a while. It's called French Baguette, and it's exactly like that. It's like you're burning bread in your house. And even though I'm on the keto diet, this is keto approved. It's a really nice, it smells like your home's a bakery. And I had stocked up on this and it was really hard to find for the last couple years. And the notes for this one include slow rising dough, crispy crust with a pat of butter. And it has those notes. This is a really nice candle. So if you have the opportunity to smell this candle, you're near a Bath and Body Works, I mean, by all means, and maybe even buy one because this is my favorite. I bought 6, and in the next year, we will definitely burn them or gift them. And if you're not about the lines, and Bath and Body Works Yankee Candle also has their large candles for $12 each, which is 60% off. I made a full dedicated video. Today is Friday the 2nd. It's the last day for this sale. Check out the videos linked right here for all the math and more info, guys, and have fun on Candle Day. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.